machine. That's all right. Sure. So Chris is a user. He doesn't know how to use this.
No idea. No idea at all. I didn't set this up. I
didn't even set it. I literally just cut it out. Is that everyone? Okay. So Chris, you're already a user. You get your device. Bear in mind, guys, this is running from US, so it might not be the quickest demo. If you click on Enroll, Chris. Enroll. Okay, so you get a user, and then if you type in Viewsonic.user9, that would normally be just your Chris password. Obviously, we've got a demo set up. So, okay. And next.
That's a regular USB keyboard, I think, is it?
Yeah, so it's just a standard keyboard. It's just got a USB pen that's in the back, which controls both the keyboard and the mouse rather than having two individuals. It's quite nice. It frees up some ports if you want to do anything else.
You want to try, Chris?
I'm okay. Current user
so
standard.
Chris, if you go to the server, yeah. I just need to check the server account, sorry. And type in 75.126.58.70.
This is Zen Mobile it's using.
Yes, correct. Yeah, Zen Mobile. And then password type in demo. It's nice and easy for you. Okay, so that should connect to the server. Brilliant, okay. That's the Zen Mobile console, that's the connection bit done. Now what will happen is that what you've done in the user interface, which I'll show you in a second, is we've put a thing on there that says once you've connected in, download Citrix receiver, Citrix share file, and I think there's a couple others. Podio we won't do because that's a US app, and they'll start to download automatically. So it should be, this is the bit that might take you a while, 30 seconds or so. Should come up. You can see it's working in the corner there, which means it's talking to the server, it's connected, and it will start to download the applications you've set in the user interface. So let's just give it a couple of seconds. We can pause the recording and pretend like it was instant. Always feels like longer when you're waiting as well. Yeah, so just in here, it's just got a thing to say it's communicating. And obviously this is in the US, so it's going to take a little bit longer. Okay, so it comes up and it says receiver. Chris will press install. You can do it a touch screen as well if you want, rather than using the mouse. Let's show the touch screen. It will install receiver. Okay, press done. Touch screen. It's a touch screen. We'll then pull the next application down, which I think is Google Earth. So Google Earth is installed to show the local native applications we talked about in the presentation. Chris, if you can press install again. Touch screen. Remember, listen to the IT users. Press done. Oh, done. Okay.
See, touchscreen doesn't always work.
Is there any reason why you haven't got a Citrix receiver already installed?
Just purely because what we're doing here is we're showing it from an administrator's point of view. They'll give the device onto the desk and then they'll get the user to install it from scratch.
Sure.
So if this was brand new...
But why can't you ship it with it pre-installed?
Zen Mobile doesn't work like that. It has to be sent down to the machine to do that. So if it was a native device it could be, but because it's Zen Mobile it has to be installed from the server.
Right, okay.
Install good. Is that, yeah, share file, so install. So share file is Citrix sharing documents program, which is similar to Dropbox for the consumer. Done. Okay, that's all. So if you go back to the home now. Yep. And then tap on the, okay, we'll just do that, yeah. So then we have the install that's been pushed down from the server. We can hold that down like you would on a normal Android and just drop it into your home page and connect it. And that's that. Okay, so if you go back and touch OK, and then load up receiver. So we'll just show receiver for now. Load up receiver. So that's what we're done. If you add an account, and then if you type in VIP, again this would be the address of your normal Citrix thing. .citrixcloud.net.
Can that be provisioned by the administrator when you connect via Zen Mobile?
No, you need to add the account in separately.
Right, so you can't, you have to know the address to get to the mobile, and then you have to know the address for the
Correct,
Citrix
yeah, you
receiver.
get some that and then you set it up, yeah. And then if you type in the Viewsonic.user9, I think we did. And then Citrix Cloud. Log on.
You were saying about the live demo.
I know, yes, always the way. Okay, so then that's the connecting to the receiver. Chris, if you press apps on the right, okay, you would know how to use this. The user, you've obviously trained on the receiver and how to use it. And then if you add in, so if you just click on My Desktop, you can add that to the start. And also you can add in anything else you want to. We'll just leave desktop for now, but you have all your Office applications, anything that's provisioned down by your IT team. And then Chris, if you want to click on My Desktop, hopefully that'll fire up your Citrix desktop. The live demo works. Sorry. It will work. Have faith.
Couldn't it be automated rather than having to keep pressing buttons?
I'm not sure in the console whether you can automate it. I'll look into that and find out. I'm not 100% sure. We do it this way. We do it this way for a demo purpose, show how it does. I'd imagine there's a way to automate it, but I need to check with Citrix team.
Yes, if you want to roll out an identical desktop, of course.
Yeah, I'm sure there's
desks.
a way to do that.
Yeah, that's why people use
Yeah.
Wise.
Yeah. Chris, you broke it.
Yeah, it's loading slowly.
Is it still moving? Just press back and try and launch it again. I made the silly mistake of using Chris. Everything Chris touches breaks.
You failed.
Hey. Press by side of it so much. Just get it away.
Which one?
Anyway. No, just press around it, yeah. So. Okay. As is with the live demos, they always go wrong.
You've got one that works that you prepared earlier.
Just in case. Just imagine that device and that device.
But what's failing here isn't your splendid
No,
monitor,
it's not.
It's the Citrix,
Yeah,
wretched
absolutely.
Citrix stock, just
Okay,
as
that
well
one's
as left
working.
the company.
So I think it was to do with the user we're using actually, so just what's the other user and that'll work. So there you have the Citrix receiver, desktop delivered down, and that's the standard Windows 7 desktop. Okay? Any questions? Perfect. What you also